Hey, good morning everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Sa mga nag-subscribe, dagan kayong salamat. Sa mga nag-follow o nag-like sa akong page, Facebook page, dagan kayong salamat. So karon we will discuss about how to remove a grouping symbol, no? So, saon ka ha? No, but actually there are no particular steps. Wala itong mga steps nga i-follow on how to remove. But nalantay guide. Okay? Usually, in removing symbols, we use these three symbols like parentheses, bracket, and braces. So, muna atong gai-remove. Itong gai-remove, no? Tapos, the first nga i-remove nato class is katong mga inner symbol. Naa sa pinakasulod na symbol. Mo din atong first i-remove. Okay? So, take note of that. Okay. So, let us first simplify the following examples. Number 1, simplify x minus, then, na-enclose sa braces, 6x minus, na-enclose sa bracket, 3x minus, na-enclose sa parentheses, x minus y minus 4y. Okay. Now, in this particular example class, number 1, as we observe, ang pinaka-inner na symbol is si parentheses. Okay. In other words, kani atong i-remove first. Okay? When we say remove, kung saan ginato, para ma-remove, i-distribute nato ang naa sa gawas niya, like particular symbol or number baka. Okay? So, let's try this. Okay. So, first is we just copy this one. I-copy lang nato. X minus, i-copy. Again, 3x. Then, to remove this symbol, kaling parenthesis kasi siya may inner, simply distribute negative to each term. Negative times x, negative times negative y. Inaala ra siya class. So, negative times x, we have negative x. Negative times negative, so plus y. Then copy, minus 4y, then close. Okay? So, inaani na kasimple atong tutorial. No? So, again, before we can remove the bracket, wala naman kay parenthesis, si bracket na po ang nasunod. Let us try to find if we can combine the terms inside, no? So, klaro kayo makakombine ta class, no? So, again, we copy x minus, copy, minus, then, makombine na to siya si x. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. You just copy the variable x. So, kanina po sila. 1 minus 4y is negative 3y, close, then close. Okay? Can you follow? Okay. So here, we can now remove the bracket. Okay? Again, by distributing the negative symbol. Okay, so you have here, copy x minus na. Then, hindi to kung saan pag remove, distribute na to negative times 2x, negative times negative 3y. Okay? So you have here negative times 2x, minus 2x. Negative times negative is plus 3y. Then close brace. Okay? So, na-remove na nato si bracket. Si brace na lang nabili. Okay? Before we can remove this braces, let us find out kung na ba tayo makombine sa sulod. So, klaro kayo nga na ano, kaning mga x, nato siya i-combine. We just copy x minus, so 6 minus 2 is 4. We just copy the variable x. Then, copy plus 3y, then close. So, simple na kay siya, class. So, what's next? I-remove na nato si brace by simply, again, distribute the negative symbol. Okay? So, in other words, ato na siya i-multiply. Negative times 4x, negative times positive 3y. So, we have here, we copy x. So, negative times 4x is minus 4x. Negative times positive, so negative, then 3y. Okay? Then finally, combine x minus 4 is negative 3. Copy the variable x minus 3y. And this is your final answer. Okay? So, inana siya ka-simple class. That's example number 1. Okay. Number 2. Nasabta nato si number 1. Okay. Let's move on to number 2. Okay, as you observe, unsa mo na itong pinaka-inner na mga symbols? We have the parentheses, no? So, here, at this side, pwede na natin siya ma-remove. Kaya naman siya ang sasunod. This side, first na to i-remove si parentheses. Okay? So, Let's solve this one. We just copy negative, then copy 5x plus 6y. Then again, distribute natin si negative. Negative times 9x, negative times negative 10. So you have here, negative 9x, negative times negative, so positive 10. Then close. Okay? Minus, copy 5x, minus, copy bracket, minus 6y. Then again, remove that to si parentheses. Okay? By simply distributing the negative symbol, negative times x, negative times negative. Okay? So we have here, negative times x is negative x, negative times negative, so positive 7. Close bracket, close the brace. Okay? So wala na parentheses. Okay? So, dili na side class, nabatay makombine na in terms of x. Klaro kayo, no? Si 5x o si negative 9x. So, again, we copy the negative symbol outside. So, 5 minus 9 is negative 4. You copy the variable x. Okay, mamaya ito makombine si in terms of x. Then, we just copy plus 6y plus 10. Okay? Then, minus 5x minus, okay, here, nabak tayo makombine, wala man dito makombine. So, we can now remove the bracket, okay, by simply distributing negative times negative, negative times negative, negative times positive. Okay? So, negative times negative, so positive 6y. Okay? Negative times negative plus x. Negative times positive minus 7, then close the brace. Okay? Klaro, class? Okay. So, we can now remove the braces here, and here, napatay makombine. Klaro kayo in terms of x. Okay? So, we can remove the brace here by simply, again, distributing the negative. So, negative times negative, negative times positive, negative times positive. So, negative times negative, so plus 4x. Negative times positive, so minus 6y. Negative times positive, minus 10. Okay? So, minus, copy. Naman tayo makombine. 5x plus 6x, you have 5x plus x, you have 6x. Then, copy plus 6y minus 7, then close the brace. Okay? So, here, ato na din siyang i-remove si brace. So, i-copy lang natin din sa left side. You have 4x minus 6y minus 10. Then, distribute negative times 6x, negative times positive, negative times negative. So, you have minus 6x, negative times positive, minus 6y, negative times negative, so plus 7. So, wala na tayo brace. Okay? So, here, mag-combine na din ta class as our final answer. I-simplify na to. So, you have here, ato makombine. Si 4x o kanis lang duwa, kanis lang duwa. So, 4 minus 6, you have negative 2, copy the variable x. Correct? 4 minus 6 is negative 2. You just copy the variable x. Next, negative 6y minus 6y. So, klaro kayo, you copy the negative symbol. 6 plus 6 is 12. So, 12, copy the variable y. Then, for negative 10 plus 7, you have negative 10 plus 7, negative 3. And this is your final answer. This is it. No? Step by step, na-remove na to si symbols, then we combine like terms. Okay? So, let's move on to example number 3. Maklaro ba si number 3? Okay. As you observe, taas kay si number 3, no? Hani? Taas kaayo. Then, observe that the inner symbol is parenthesis. So, again, we need to remove this first. Okay? I-remove sa nato first kani si parenthesis. Okay, so, here, ma-remove na po nato ni si parenthesis diri. Kaya wala naman siya lain nga symbol, no? We can directly remove that one. So, here, we distribute negative times 2x, negative times negative. So you have here, negative 2x, negative times negative, so plus 5y. Okay? And minus, copy brace, 4 minus, copy bracket, 5y. Then, we need to remove the parentheses. Again, by the distributive law. Negative times 2y, negative times negative. No? So, negative times 2y minus 2y. Negative times negative, so plus 9x. Close. Copy minus 3. Close minus 6x. Close. Okay? So, nasabtan ang steps? Okay. So, here, i-copy lang dyan po nato. We have negative 2x plus 5y minus 4. Then, before we can remove the bracket, masyada dyan siya na ato siyang i-combine daan. Combine like terms. We add or we subtract. Okay? Minus, copy. So, ato maning makombine si 5y minus 2y. So, 5 minus 2, 3, copy the variable y. Okay? So, you just copy 9x minus 3, then copy, close. Okay? So, let's continue. We just copy minus 2x plus 5y minus 4. Then, here, we can now remove the bracket. Again, by distributive laws. Negative times 3y, negative times positive, negative times negative 3. So, you have here, negative times 3y, negative 3y, negative times positive, minus 9x, negative times negative, so plus 3. Then copy, minus 6x, close the brace. Okay, na-enjoy na mo? Okay, ako po, na-enjoy na dyan kaayo pag-solve, no? So, again, here, padayon ta, we copy, negative 2x plus 5y minus, okay? So, again, ingin ko sa inyo para gamay na lang din kay atong kuan diri numbers diri. Ato siyang i-combine first. Ayun nato i-remove si brace na symbol. Ma-combine na to. Naman tayo maka-combine dari. No, so 4 plus 3 so 7. Okay? Nabay lain y, so wala, you just copy negative 3y. Correct? Then kini ato ma-combine. Negative 9x ug negative 6x, so minus 9 plus 6, 15. Then copy the variable x, then close. Okay? Enjoy na class. Padayon ta. Kana pa man tay symbol na brace. So we need to remove this one. So you have here negative 2x plus 5y. Then we remove. Negative times 7. Negative times negative. Negative times negative. So you have here negative times 7 is negative 7. Negative times negative, so plus 3y. Negative times negative plus 15x. Okay, so wala na yung symbol. Now here, to finalize our answer, i-combine dyan po na to ang like terms. Combine meaning i-subtract or i-add na to ang like terms. Okay, now let us consider x here first. So we have negative 2x and 15x. So sila itong makombine kaya parehas sila in terms of x. So 15 minus 2 is 13. Then you just copy the variable x. Okay? So here, 5y plus 3y, so you have plus 8y. Then, copy minus 7. And that is your final answer. Okay? So, I really hope natay nasabtan ani nga topic, removing the grouping symbols. Dagan king salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Barry Umongos. So, that's all for today. Salamat!